Trish, it's me, Jonathan, Casanova, basically. I just wanted to make this video response to, to ask you a question. Well, first I wanted to say that I love you so, so much. I think you're just such an incredible person, and, you've just got this great heart and this great spirit, and, I would love to meet you someday. I totally think we could be best friends. I mean, I know a lot of people say that about you, but I mean it. I think you're an amazing person, and you inspire me. So yeah, and that ties into my question, which is basically, how does it feel to inspire people? How does it feel knowing that you're able to reach out to all these people and be sort of looked to as a role model? I've always wanted to know how people felt about that, because I do consider you a role model. I think you're just an amazing person, and yeah, so that's basically my question. So yeah, I love you, and yeah, hopefully we'll see each other soon. Okay, bye.